So we just put an off-road tire on the front of the buell. We just did a little quick fitment thing here. Need to shave those attachment points so we can actually get the fender back on.
Where's your bolt?
The bolt's on the ground.
Bolt's right here in my hand.
Yep. So we made well, this is just a mock-up bracket. I'll probably.
Well, this is a mock-up bracket.
Well, no, it could be a real bracket if you want to make it.
I thought this was the real deal.
Well, if it works, it'll be the real deal.
It'll work after I'm done blitzing or fixing the hole.
Well, hey, I used the bumper or the fender to do it. It worked on the fender. I had it bolted on. I got the other one bolted on. Just didn't make them wide enough. Guess I should have done it with the legs. I could have just gone with a bigger drill bit.
That's how you do things, not how I do it. I slot the hole out so it goes down bigger.
Right.
Just got area to put your tools on.
We got some
Need my drill.
drill motors over there.
Where's your tool up?
Cool.
Tool. Things like these called tools, see?
That tool. Your tool.
Deburring tools.
It's a tool. Some quick deburring. Nice.
I already deburred it by filing too.
Looks like it'll be
Where's your bolt?
looks like a pro. Got two of them.
Blow the holes out here, Fred.
Hey, you need to blow the holes out.
Fred did a lousy job. Is that forklift gonna fall over and pull out? Probably. It's nice to put a bill of 14" deep and thread it so that we don't have to worry about cutting a 1/4 inch off.
Yep.
And redo everything.
I already tested it. Still not.
Dumbass went the wrong way.
You went in instead of out?
Yes.
The hell are you doing going in?
I thought we had to go the other way.
No,
You have to make a new plate now. Where's my hole at? Where's my file go? What'd you do?
it's up there.
It's up my what?
Yep, whatever. It looked like you were pushing and not pulling, but
I thought it was the other way.
I got more of that crap laying around the house. That one, I made that in between all the other projects, like rebuilding my
I can tell.
2500 Duramax. Working on the Jeep, working on the other crap.
Yeah, but you cleaned your garage yet? Okay, good.
Well, it really, it's one of those lost efforts. I could go and clean that thing for hours. It looks great, and then the next morning I wake up and it looks like somebody dropped a hand grenade in there.
The elves went in there and fixed it for you.
Yeah, I got gremlins in my garage. I don't know how they do it.
I'm getting hot, Fred.
That's getting warm. Worked up a. Let's see if it's going to work.
This threads don't work for school. You get the right thread in there helps.
There's a wrench, crapo wrench.
Yeah, if you just got a little spinner, I can spin it. Where do you steal this piece of or this custom
This is
tools
my
from?
fancy toolbox in the back with the garbage tools in it.
Well, the garbage tools are mine, I thought. The fancy toolbox is yours. It's a collaborative effort for crap.
Hey, some good stuff, some crappy stuff, it all works out. Well, that's going to look good. That will fit well.
These holes are.
Oh, it's
Don't need Loctite on them.
crapometric, man.
So I can't use the normal Tatro torque on here. Is what you're
No,
saying?
please don't. We'll be stripping him. No, stop.
Snap the bolt off.
It's not even going to be in there permanent now.
Appears to be a bow in the bracket.
That's what we wanted.
Oh, good.
All right.
That keeps the vibration
Stop
down.
tightening them down. They're like butter freaking bolts.
That keeps the vibration down the bracket so it won't break. You got to pre-stress it then.
Yeah.
No
Like the guy that showed up at my house with his
No vibration on there.
in the back You had a pan head and both brackets are broken. I'm like, oh, there's something wrong here. When I undid the where it was connected to the frame, and it was so much torque on it. It's like, yeah, this is why your brackets are breaking. But that's okay. I'll re-weld them for you.
My rag got dirty.
Looking good. On to the next one.
See if it fits in there. It's got a bow in it.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. The top side fits on the fender. Little plastic fender.
Before and after. Huh?
Yep, that's how far we're going in. You have to see the tire now, that why we had to do this. The tires.
Oh, we showed the tire already.
Well, we did earlier. A different video.
Now, this one is different again.
Of course. Why would it have the same? Oh, that was way low. Might have to go with a... Probably go to the skinnier one now. Or more washers.
Well, I don't like doing washers. The washers are not flat.
Well, nor is the surface you're working off of.
What?
Hmm?
I thought this was a buell. It's not a Harley, is it?
Well, isn't that the same difference?
We don't have flat surfaces here. I thought we had flat surfaces.
Isn't that the same surface? Nothing's flat, nothing's square. Nothing works.
So everything's the same as normal.
Yep.
You got clear? Perfect.
Got clearance, clearance.
And the problem is the bolt's too long now. The stud. Excuse me. Wrong terminology.
Stud. Studly. Need a 4. Yeah, what did I tell you? 4.
For what?
4 inches.
4 millimeter?
We don't do millimeter. Well, yes we do.
We work on Harleys here. We have metric
Metric communist.
drop bikes.
Jab bike.
It's a dirt bike. It's a metric dirt bike.
This is gonna look good now we're done.
Fred, why are you so high in the air?
Why did you do that? You stuck too many washers in there.
Listen to you.
No, you put it in there without asking me. Go the, yeah, there you go.
Why did I flip it over?
Because there's more on the other side, flatter on the back side.
No surface area.
That's what I just said.
Makes it flatter.
Flatter, flatter. Oh,
That's too high.
that's too high.
That's this thing, Fred.
You need a thin one there.
You want a thin one.
Or put some spacers, or put some...
I'll go back like I did the first time.
Perfect. Don't break it.
How much torque was that?
Some of the Tatro torque.
Right amount.
Too much Tatro torque.
Okay, we got that under there again. Perfect.
Yep.
Shims all full oil. Some people call these feeler gauges, I call them shims.
Well, there's shims when you're using them to space. They're feeler gauges when you're using them to check.
Feeling it up.
Feeling it. Oh. Nope. Too much slop.
25 is equals 13 and 14, right?
Ooh. Do the go, no go. That's what they taught us in A school.
25.
Go, no go.
This was 20. That's why I didn't order it. This is 20. 25.
Perfect.
That's
All
a
right.
vibration dampening. And then we hold on to this thing too to get even more vibration dampening.
All right.
If it digs in and jerks, we'll make it thing more. You need the tripod thing over there.
We still got this tripod?
My tripod?
Sure.
I stole it.
Yeah, from me. A couple years
You
ago.
left it laying here.
Let me get this thing in here.
You should have bought the clip with the tripod, it would work. Okay, Fred. Turn that your way. This thing goes like that, goes like that, goes like that.
I knew that.
The light's off.
Lights on?
But the green light, the red light's on, so it's still filming.
I know, I didn't start it
So
off.
it's not a lost cause yet. See, I hit this right here?
Yeah,
That'd be a problem.
might be.
Where the feeder gauge hit, Fred. Look at the air.
I think they're not quite the same.
Look at the air.
Yeah, but this is a whole different setup.
Look at the air, though.
Oh, it's not all.
It's off by one.
Pretty close.
Fred, you guys supposed to look at this.
Well, they don't know. They can't see that.
See, it's 1,000 different from the other way.
Oh, the thickness of it. Yeah, cool.
1,000.
Wobbler.
See, it's a buell, not a Harley.
Wobbler.
These were made by genuine foreigners. This is loose, Fred.
I know.
I don't think we definitely did not work on this part yet. It's still soft.
Well, we're gonna just dump some oil, heavier oil in there.
I think we're going to dump some spring in there, actually.
All right, well, that'll be the next job.
I'm going to put some Harley Davidson parts in there.
Harley Davidson.
Those two.
You're gonna like how he cuts this.
70.
Ain't no messing around, man. Center and go. Go this way. This way. Toward you. One more. There you go. That's it.
Sure.
One more this way.
You did it right.
One more out. Here we go. Woo, vibrate. Cutting some crap.
Oh shit, we're almost there. Almost about that much.
I told you to go this way, son.
There's zero. What happened?
Just gotta go this, come toward you.
What?
You weren't centered. You were like, I kept going, come toward you.
You didn't do it right? What you saying?
I'm saying you didn't do it right. It's okay. It'll come off. Oh. Nice.
You happy now, Fred?
Happier. Getting it done. New toy. That's better.
Instead of snuck the hole, snuck the blocks, you get the same?
Yeah.
Nice easy cut.
Huh. Still didn't center it. No, you didn't.
Got moved?
Yeah. There's your 30. Woohoo!
What's this?
Excellent. Excellent.
Where is it?
It's all shiny now.
Circle interpolation,
You're ambidextrous. You're ambidextrous.
circle interpolation, I go in a circle, see? Yeah. That's actually what they call that.
Is that what you call it?
That's what they call that. All right, what happened?
Yeah, we need to clean it up a little bit. Deburr.
COVID fumes all over it.
Where's your mask, man? Where's your mask?
You don't need one.
Where's your mask? I've been fixed. I got my shots.
Get your shots.
I've been fixed. I've been neutered. COVID neutered.
Yes, I'm not hitting a black spot I'm not supposed to be.
There's some big old nasty, gnarly, greasy hands in a way. Can't really see much. That's okay. I'll see the finished product when you're done.
How come it's not cutting my finger?
I don't know. That's so Fred doesn't
Fred doesn't what?
crossbreed.
Well, he'll still crossthread it. I got caught.
Notice how he always 3 spins, hangs it up,
cord don't get damaged.
puts it up.
If I had more length, I'd do 4. Oh, who made that mess? Oh, mess everywhere. You feeling my butt over here? Fred never watches. Fred never watches what he videotapes.
Oh.
What?
Nothing.
Did I hit you?
Yep.
Hit the off button again?
Yep, we're good.